Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Trying out my new GoPro. Got a GoPro 9. Just gonna take the 144001 out for a little spin out in the street. Test it out. Test out this GoPro. Go check it out. I got the Traxxas 12-turn motor in there. You can see that. This is XL5. It's from my Rustler, and it runs pretty good. So, a little cheap STX2, the junk one out of my Arma. It works pretty good in this car. It's a little tiny lag, but it's not too bad. So, there you go. I'm going to put the lid back on and go take it out in the street and go do a little run. So this is just a test for this GoPro. And then I can go to the other side. So welcome back to the channel. Thanks for watching, guys. And I'll be back in a minute. Go run up and down the street. Alright, let's go out and rip it up real quick. So this is a fun car to take to work. It's nice and small. That's where that lag comes in. Turning. I did about 43 miles an hour or so on this motor. 2S stock motor, stock battery. That's it for that battery. So there you go, guys. That's just a quick test for test out this GoPro. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Thank you. Have a good one.